In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Kodi on Chromecast. Kodi is a powerful media player that you can use to stream content, and with Chromecast, you can cast it to your TV. Let's go through the steps to get it set up. Step 1. Install Kodi on your device. First, you need to install Kodi on your device, smartphone, tablet, or PC. For Android, go to the Google Play Store, search for Kodi, and click Install. For Windows, go to the official Kodi website, kodi.tv/download, and download the installer for Windows. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to install Kodi. Step 2. Set up Google Chromecast. Make sure your Chromecast is plugged into your TV and powered on. Ensure that your Chromecast and the device with Kodi installed are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Cast Kodi to Chromecast. Open Kodi on your device. If you're using a smartphone or tablet, open the Kodi app. If you're using a PC, open Kodi through the app or program. For Android, swipe down to open the quick settings and tap on the cast icon. Select your Chromecast device from the list. For Windows, right-click on the Kodi window and select Cast, or use the Google Chrome browser to cast your screen. Select Cast Desktop and choose your Chromecast device from the list. Step 4. Enjoy Kodi on your TV. Once your device is connected to Chromecast, your Kodi screen will be mirrored to your TV. You can now start streaming content from Kodi directly on your TV screen. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.